Hey guys, hello. How are you? Okay. Now let's talk about Lincoln Penny, 1980, no mint mark. Lincoln Penny. Okay. First, let's read what is written on the coin. In God we trust. Liberty, 1980. The back of the coin or the reverse of the coin. Okay. Let's read. United States of America, E pluribus unum, FG, the designer's initial, 1 cent. Okay, the Lincoln Memorial. Okay, now, let's find out the value or the price of a 1980 no mint mark Lincoln penny. Okay, here we go. Most uncirculated 1980 pennies are worth 10 cents to 30 cents apiece. But the most valuable 1980 penny with no mint mark sold for $2,232.50 in a 2017 auction. Wow! $2,232.50 for 1980 penny with no mint mark. Wow. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. Have a great day. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.